Okay, we went and checked out something pretty cool in downtown Hamilton today. The City of Hamilton and Cobalt Connects have put together this Wurlitzer jukebox with 50 artists that are in Hamilton featured in this jukebox. And I'm one of them! I want to check out the gift shop here at Hamilton pop up, because here it is. We got some 45s pressed for Winterfest. Feel it too. And Georgina. What? So cool. You can pick up your copy here. How freaking cool is this? Feel It Too and Georgina are on this 45, and I am just so stoked because many of you have reached out asking for me to press vinyl, and here it is. Thank you to so many great partners, including Cobalt Music and the City of Hamilton, for creating this opportunity for local artists. I'm so grateful to be a part of it, and DM me if you want a copy of your own 45. We've got Feel It Too and Georgina on here. Comment below.